Morning, YouTube. How's it going this morning? Take a look around at everything we got here. Ain't she pretty? Anyway, we'll be working on red today. And I'm going to do some more in the dash. And it's going to get cold. Again, I think it's Saturday and Sunday. And I just have water in the block. So what are we going to do? We're going to drain some water out of it. And then we'll put the antifreeze in it. Fill it up with water, start it, let it mix it. I'm not going to run it for very long, just enough to mix the water up a little bit, shut it off, and be done with it. That's all we're going to do with the motor end of it. But the dash, I still have to drill some holes to it, get some lights in it, wire those lights up for the trans brake and line lock. So we'll get on that today. We'll be back.